Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to clean and moisturize these leather seats with the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and the Chemical Guys leather conditioner. So the first thing we're going to do is take this leather cleaner and I'm going to spray it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it all over this leather seat to make it as clean as possible. The Chemical Guys leather cleaner is water-based, and it's designed to penetrate the pores of leather to lift and suspend dirt and oils. I was pleasantly surprised how well it works, and by what I managed to pick up with our Scott Blue shop towel. Now it is time for the Chemical Guys leather conditioner. So I'm going to place some on our Scott Blue shop towel, then I'm going to rub it in to this leather seat as thoroughly as possible. This conditioner works deep into the leather to restore softness and help defend against cracking, fading, UV damage, and early wear. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy slick or sticky film, leaving your leather with a clean, natural matte finish and a long-lasting protection. I think the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and the Chemical Guys leather conditioner worked really well, and I'm very happy with the great job they did. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.